Come here, Lola.
Tuna fold over. Did you go somewhere else?
On purpose?
No!
Here. Throw that in the fridge. I think you want.
No, I'm not. Like, I didn't do that on purpose.
Do I put it in the sink or the dishwasher?
How come there's only one piece of bread?
Only one piece of bread?
You have to have a stupid crust.
Have a fold over.
Holdovers are stupid. Stop saying that word.
No, it's like holdovers. Oh, I'm sorry. Verbs are stupid.
All I have to do is keep my mouth closed. See? Could you get that thing out of here? It's going to be broken more.
Somebody beefed.
It's the meat. It's the premium deli turkey breast. Get it out of here.
Don't touch it! Stop!
This is the stupidest video ever. Stop.
Can you look? Listen.
Short wash, yes.
Susie, look! There's cheese! Can we go?
Could you get You want mustard on it? Stop! Gosh!
One more and
I have a stupid crust sandwich. Stupid.
What is that called? A heel?
A heel sandwich.
How about some chips? We don't have any chips for a while. Chips. You know what's the best yogurt in there? That orange.
You say that every day.
That was good.
Here we go. My sandwich is going to be